There is nothing more frustrating than stepping on the clutch and turning the key only to hear absolutely nothing, or even worse, having your car lurch forward because it started without the clutch being pressed at all. This dangerous and annoying situation is exactly what the P0830 code is all about, specifically targeting the clutch pedal switch circuit. This little switch is a critical safety component that acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring that the starter motor only gets power when the clutch is fully depressed. It is usually a simple on and off style switch located right near the top of your clutch pedal arm. When the PISIM sees an open circuit or a malfunction, it might prevent the car from starting entirely, or it might fail to recognize that the clutch is engaged, which can also mess with your cruise control operation. To diagnose this, you should crawl under the dash and look for any loose wires or a bent bracket that might be preventing the pedal from actually hitting the switch. Use your DVOM to perform a continuity test. You should see 0 ohms of resistance when the pedal is pushed down and no continuity when it is released. Sometimes a simple blown fuse or a corroded connector is the only thing standing between you and a car that starts reliably. Do not make the mistake of replacing your starter motor or the solenoid before checking the switch first, as a faulty clutch sensor is a much cheaper and more common reason for a no-start condition. Taking the time to verify the 12-volt signal on both sides of the switch when the pedal is down will tell you exactly whether the switch has failed or if there is a break in the wiring further up the line toward the PISIM.